dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can also fix this error. So if you can see it, iTunes could not connect to the iTunes store. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happened because you have problems with your internet. So just check your internet connection. So you can also do it here. Just check, tap on Wi-Fi and just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. After, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also try to fix it in another way. So after, just try to restore your computer, or you can try to update your iTunes. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose restore and just submit return your computer. And also you can check updates in App Store, so just open App Store, and in the App Store just tap here on updates button, and here you will see available updates for your application. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.